Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about how to disable the start screen in Office programs. Microsoft Office users now see a start screen appear when any of the programs are launched. Some users prefer to skip this step and go straight into the application and begin working immediately, whilst others are okay with this. If you're one of the users that want to skip the startup screen and prefers to jump straight in and get working, then this is the perfect tip for you. Let me show you how to disable the start screen. First, open Microsoft Word. The start screen will be displayed. Select the blank document options. Click the File tab and select Options. Within the General section of the Options dialog box, scroll down and locate the checkbox option for Show the Start Screen when this application starts. Uncheck the box and click OK. Finally, close the application and restart it. You should now be directed to the main screen with a new blank document. Alright, you have now successfully turned off the start screen setting. You always have the option to enable it anytime if you want to. And oh, this tip is also applicable to Outlook, PowerPoint, and Excel. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.